Hi everyone, I'm back today with a video, a bedroom haul. My vision and my dream is to have a sanctuary, a luxurious place. I want that hotel feel at home. So I'm taking as much time as I can because finances to gather items that I need to make a bedroom what I'm envisioning. So the haul has happened over a period of time. I've bought a few of not so big items, some decor items, some bedding. I'd like to share that with you today. Our room is small and there's a rail with coats. I need storage. So I thought, let me get a storage bed, and that is working out well. There's a picture of how the bed looks like, and because of that bed, now my mattress is very high. The storage base, but I love what it's done for me, so I was able to get rid of that rail. I also lay by some bedside tables which have arrived already from Cielo. As I've said, I'm so tired of white and it stains with me. It stains so easily, and I thought, you know what, let me get myself something wooden, and I just like and enjoy the feel and the color, because it then works with the theme that I'm looking for in my room. So those are the colors I'm looking to use: your stone, beige, creams, grays, your light browns, your blues, your greens, your dusty pink. So that's what I'm working with, and during my shopping, that's what I was shopping for. So I have my storage base, I have my bedside tables, and I'm looking to make a space for my shoes. And then I've laid the headboard. That's what I'm looking to make, and I'm happy about what I already have, and my plans are coming together. I'm not in a hurry. This project, I think it will be finished sometime next year. So without further ado, let's get into it. My bed is a double bed because I have a small room, so a double bed works for me. But because of the storage base, my bedding needs to be that of a king. Fortunately enough, now I am not struggling anymore at Continental Linen, because I love their prices and I love their quality. But this is a mattress protector. It's for a double. As I've said, I have a double bed. I just love the feel of it. It's polyester. And then I've got sheets. I got my sheets at Mr. Price Home. So this is a fitted sheet in grey, 100% cotton. I would want to buy a 400 thread count when I have money, but the cotton will do for now. And also this is a flat sheet for a double and a queen. And I have pillowcases. This one has an Oxford border, a border around. I love that about it. So these are two sets of also 100% cotton pillowcases. They are all the same color. And then I was looking for a feather inner. I got this at Take-A-Lot. I was fortunate enough to get this for less than 1,000 rand at Take-A-Lot. It was being sold by Cielo. So this inner is for a king. I just love how it is. It's heavy enough. I don't think I'll need a blanket in winter. I'm not sure in summer if it will work. It feels so warm. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then I got this cover. It's stone. Call it beige. It's from Woolworths. It's silky soft duvet set. It comes in a bag, so it would be so nice to store it. It comes with two pillowcases. I also got this cover. It was on special for a king at Continental Linen. It's 100% Egyptian cotton and 400 thread count in dark egg. I love this color. I adore this. My curtains currently are this and some cream and beige dark egg. I love it. So it also comes with 2 pillowcases. And with that, when I bought it online, there was a special. I got these sheets for free. This is also 400 thread count sheets, 100% cotton. They also come with 2 standard pillowcases. I love this. It's in white. Yeah, so as you've seen, my duvet covers are very plain and they're one colored. So just to add some texture in my room, on my bed, I decided to order these when I was ordering my clothes at Shein. This is a standard pillowcase cover. I just love the tufted design. So the texture is just lovely. And then at Edgar's, I got 2 of these covers. This is 50 by 50 in size. So I got 2 of that. And then I got this one at, just to add color on my bed, I got this one at Woolies. It is also 50 by 50. And then I got this feather inner at Edgar's. I love the fact that it's feather, because feather, it can just plump up. So I got 2 of these at Edgar's. And after I had bought those 2, I found this one at H&M. It was much cheaper. I think it was half the price. So all of these are feather inners. And then I had my friend make this for me. So she makes cushions, matapelo. I love it. Thank you, my friend. The idea for the burnt orange was for it to work with this. So I just love how it looks together. Thanks, Matabs. I love my lumber cushion. Thank you so much, and thank you for the gift. So I got this for free. Just a pillowcase to change with it. So this side is a plain burnt orange. Oh, I love it. Thank you, my friend. A good businesswoman, when you see. And then I got this throw. I know it's a winter throw. It's wool, burnt orange again. I love this color. I got this from Woolworths. It's 140 by 180. And I like that because I found that some throws are just small and you can't really even make it a blanket. I like the fact that this is big and I can make it a blanket. I know it's a winter one and we're now in spring, but hey, I'll use that in winter or autumn, whatever. And then I got this other throw at Choreographed. It was on special at 50% off. I love the green. It's cream in color. It's also very long. It's 150 by 180. And it has nice tassels. So that's my throw. That's that with the bedding. As I've said, I've also bought some decor items. I've made an olive tree. I'll share a short video on how I did that DIY olive tree I saw on Pinterest, and I followed the pin to YouTube, so I also decided to make my own. And then for that, I bought this basket. It's beautiful. I got this at Basketly online. I think they have a shop in Pretoria. Yo, I love this. It's just gorgeous. For my bedside tables, I bought these lamps. They're actually study lamps, but I just enjoy how they look and the bedside tables are not big, so these actually just save space. I love the gold, so I got 2 of these at home. For the decor for my bedside, I bought this vase. It's lovely. I got this at H&M. This beautiful vase. And then I got this for my husband's side. I'm sure you won't appreciate the flowers that I'm planning to use, but green is always safe. So I got this at Mr. Price Home. These ones are for my side of the bed. Got these at Pep Home. I also got a nice frame, a lovely frame at Pep. It's in pink. And then I got this beautiful clock at Mr. Price Home. So that's it for my bedroom haul. I'll be sharing some snippets of the items on my Instagram page. Our sanctuary is about to be done, and I'm loving it. So if you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you've subscribed, and also press the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, bye.